Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with day 27 of the 30 days for the No November Junk Journal Challenge. So, for day 27, we're going to take plastic packaging or paper packaging to make some envelopes. So, we're going to remove this. Uh-oh, what did I put in the bucket? Well, we're going to put that over here. And I have this here that I can make an envelope with. Okay. We have this piece. And we also have this piece. And this one. I'm going to use the big piece. I'm going to do all this freehand. So, let's see how it goes. No gizmos and gadgets except for my skizzers. Okay, so the way we can make an envelope for a card or whatever is you take a square piece of paper, fold into the center, fold like this first, okay, fold it one way, fold it the other way, okay. Now, what you can do is take your points and fold them in to the center, like so, okay. Or you can take something as small as this, you know, a card or something. I don't have a card here at my desk to show you. Let me grab one. I'm going to show you an easy way to do one. Okay, I have a card, and let's say, well, this one's going to be a little bit too small, too big for it, but, um, let me see if this one would work. Now, if you do it at an angle, no, it won't work. This size card won't work, guys. So, let me see if I can find something else to... Oh, let's take this card for an example. No, that one's still too big. Well, what do you know? That's not gonna fit. I'm trying to find something small enough to where I can show you the envelope. And I don't have a card small enough to fit my paper. Okay, let's take this for an example. Okay, and I must take the single sheet. You fold up like this. You can come in this way. Okay. You fold it to the size whatever your item is. You can take this side, tuck it under. This is kind of the kind of envelope I wanted to show, but you know what? We can take the bottom out. And like so. And there you have an envelope. Cut over here out a little bit. Like this. I'm just going to give y'all a rough way to do it. I'm just going to trim here, okay, up to the card. Then I'm going to fix over here. So this is going to be glued in from this side here. Actually, I want to do this side because of the fold here. So I'm going to put my glue like so. I can do this better with cardstock, but since this is a junk journal, I have to use what I have in my stash here for scraps and whatnot. So like that. Take this, you can fold this under, put some glue there, and you have an envelope. Just close this down like so. You can take the top part here, fold it down some, glue this down like so, and you have an even edge there. And there you go. There's envelope number 1. Okay. Now, envelope number 2. Let me see if I remember how to do this with this kind. Fold this way, fold that way. Angle this way. Yeah, okay, I got it. Now what I'm going to do is clip here, fold this up to the point right there, okay, and then fold this side. Hang on. This is not going my way. Like so. Nope, it still ain't looking right. Let me get my pen out of the way. This way. Then you come in this way, I think. No, I'm making more of an airplane. Without having the big 12 by 12, I can't do it. So, we're going to use this as an example. Fold this way, fold that way, and fold up. Okay, so now I take this out, and I bring this in, like so. Bring this in, like so. Well, I want this to come out a little more. Sorry about that. This a little, now that's starting to look the way I want it. But this has to come out a little more, like so. Like that. Okay, I'm going to take this and glue this right here. Like that. Bring this up. Fold the tip over. There we go. There's our envelope. I want to fold this like this. And fold this under here. Wait. Like so. Take this flap. Fold it under here. Like that. And then we're going to glue all of this. And then we have our envelope. Like so. Then what you want to do is to stop the bulkiness is come in like this, like that, like this, and like that. Oops. And then we have an envelope. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Let me move this out of the way. And please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be happy, be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.